Double Y is for yak, furry and strong. Double Eduillumine smiles as it trots along. Double Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Double Eduillumine plays with a giggle and a bounce. Y is for yarn, soft and round. Double Eduillumine rolls it across the ground. Double Y is for yacht, sailing the sea. Double Eduillumine waves, come ride with me. Double Y is for yawn, sleepy and slow. Double Eduillumine stretches time for bed, you know. Double letter Y is youthful, come sing with me. Double Eduillumine teaches with joy and glee.